Hi, I'm Agatha and this is Shadow. Welcome to my YouTube video. So today I would like to talk about my hiking experience to Susung Waterfall and Kampong Sting. Okay, so the adventure begins at Bomodem. There we will wait for a tourist guide who will guide us to a boat. We take the boat ride to the hiking track, which takes about 10 to 20 minutes. It actually depends on the speed of the boat. If the boat is fast, then you might hold on for your life and then you'll get there very fast. Dia laju sih. Once we arrive at the jetty, we will begin hiking to the first checkpoint, which took about 30 to 40 minutes depending on how fast you walk, and might even take an hour if you walk slow. Very slow. It's a pretty short walk. Yeah, the first checkpoint is called PN Waterfall, or a lot of people call it the Curtain Waterfall. After taking a rest, take some photos, have a few sips at the first checkpoint, we then proceed for another 30 minutes or probably longer hike to Susung Waterfall, the main attraction. Over there you can see a beautiful waterfall, and the waterfall is not that beautiful. It is a very strong waterfall. The water vapor will splash over you when you get under or near it. You'll get soaked, but it's a nice experience. Do mind your step. The boulders are slippery. Yeah, don't break your leg, I'm just saying. Okay. Once we're done with the photo taking session at Susung Waterfall, we will go back to Curtain Waterfall. By then, the tourist guides will allow you to take a swim. After having a nice swim with PN Waterfall, we will go back to the boat, and then the boat will take us to Kampong Sting, which is a nice little village on the hills. You'll need to take a hike. I don't remember for how long, probably like 40 minutes, maybe faster. But the hike is constantly going up, unlike going to PN or Susung where we have some flat surfaces and then up and then flat and then probably down. Going to Sting is constantly climbing more and more steps, which is pretty tiring for your knees. So you need a stick, like a walking stick. Once you reach the village, they have this, what do you call this thing? I call it tanju. This tanju, you can go on it, have like a nice view. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, pussy. Okay. Now we have reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and goodbye.